BoxyCharm for this month. And here, yeah, so let's see what goodies are in here. Got my BoxyCharm kind of late. This was for last month, but I'm still gonna do the unboxing today. I'm so excited to see what's in here and open this with you guys. Let's see what's in here. We got some cool things today. All right, so I'm gonna introduce each item. BoxyCharm will send you a postcard that looks like this, and it tells you what each item is for. So we're gonna start off with the La Masca Unveiled Artistry Palette, which is this guy right here. So, this is a eyeshadow palette. Open that. It's pretty. Express your individuality with 12 highly pigmented powdered eyeshadows in satin, matte, and metallic shimmer. Each one delivers a color-intense finish, allowing you to create any number of unique nude looks, from natural everyday to the perfect smoky eye. The next item is Dermalette, and this is a out crease retinol trifecta serum. It comes in this wonderful red bottle, and it says this successfully targets the look of fine lines, wrinkles, thick skin, and sun damage. The anhydrous formula features 3 tremendously effective forms of retinol actives in a concentrated micro-encapsulated delivery system. Wow. Our next item is Generation Skin Hydrating Marine Algae Eye Patches. All right, it says marine algae is straight from the sea. Skincare savior, dense with vitamins, minerals, proteins, and essential fatty acids. When applied to the delicate skin around your eyes, it helps firm, soothe, plump, and brighten like nothing else. Used for dewier, fresher looking peepers. And we have more. Let's see, this one's Alley Oop. It is a Penpal 4-in-1 makeup pen. And this reminds me of the pens that we used to use as a kid with the different colors that you clip down. Pretty cool, right? So, Alley Oop, for when you need a quick look or touch up on the go and don't want to carry your whole makeup bag with you. Penpal is the convenience of 4 essential products in one easy-to-use, easy-to-stash click pen. Just click down on a color and apply for a fresh, natural look wherever you are. For our next item, we have Basic Beauty Summer Lip Oil. And it says, ready for a quick pamper session for your lips? This hydrating lip oil nourishes your lips from the inside out with coconut oil for effortless shine and instantly reduced appearance of lip line. I want to try some. Let's see. I don't know what to say a thing, but somehow these words will come out as I burn this haze and drink. I remember when I first met you, summer '91. Who would ever think that the God would sweat you? If you asked for my time, I would never neglect you or disrespect you. It's my own life to protect you. You're more than the pressure. Yes. All right. So for our next item, it's not on our card today, so it must be just an extra gift from BoxyCharm. Sometimes they'll do that, so let's see what it is. And this is a I Am a Woman, What's Your Superpower? I believe it's another palette. And it comes with a little pamphlet of famous women throughout history. Joan of Arc, Ella Fitzgerald, Harriet Tubman. So this is going to be interesting to read, and some history for some of you who don't know about these wonderful women. Anyway, that was our last item. We got a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items in this month's box. Tell me what you think in the comments below, and thank you for tuning in. I appreciate you guys so much. I'm so excited about all these wonderful products that we got, and I can't wait to try them out. Once again, please subscribe and don't forget to like my videos. Thank you.